beat.
Join on the beat, don't shut him in the street.
You dope, girl. You dope, girl. Cause how many bitches can say that they never cheated? You dope, girl. You dope, girl. Cause how many bitches can say no makeup is needed? You dope, girl. You dope, girl. Cause how many bitches can say they get it on their own? You dope, girl. You dope, girl. Cause how many bitches can say they flipped it on their own? You dope, girl. Baby, you dope, girl. Lil' mama, you go, girl. Mama, you go, girl. Lil' baby, you dope, girl. Baby, you dope, girl. Lil' mama, you go, girl. Mama, you go, girl. Lil' baby, you dope, girl. And I ain't even had to tell you that. You finna make the bitches jealous by the way you wearing that. All these niggas looking, she reply like, what you staring at? That's a bad bitch, and I know she aware of that. She get it on her own, she don't depend on no one. I ain't gon' tell her business, but on God, she a real one. I wish they had the same motivation as you. I wish the guys made 100 movies.
What's cracking, BQ fam? Alright, so today is a pretty lit day. So I received my coilovers from Raceland. I'm just gonna do a little review. Alright, so yesterday I received my coilovers. These are from Raceland. I've read the reviews and a lot of people are saying that it's really good quality. So we're definitely gonna go ahead and install these today and test them out. Fuck yeah. Hold up. Bam! This is one of the front coilovers. That was sick. Ooh! Don't even tell me. Don't even tell me. Hold up. Alright. I think I fixed it. Keep that. That's lit. That's so fucking lit. I fuck with it. Alright, so I'm gonna just lay everything out, show you guys, and then just start getting started. Nothing more to talk about. Let's get to it. Alright, tire off. It's definitely needing new tires. Keep that. From California. Finally. But yeah, so this is from the 5-lug swap. We rigged the brakes, so I'm gonna have to figure out a way to mold that. E-brake cut. But yeah, it should be easy. Remove that. And we are good. Oh, we gotta open the
You ain't never been what I've been through.
Alright.
Nah, you ain't never seen what I seen. I say you ain't never lived what I lived through.
So here's the stock spring. And here's the new spring. I'm just kidding. This is not the spring. Junior thought that was the spring. No, look, it goes on this and it goes on.
No, it's gonna grow to be a criminal. Now he fighting digits, finna show him what the system do. Prison prize with a strike, how they get at you.
Alright, so this metal piece is gonna go through the body and then we're gonna screw it. Alright, so Raceland is gonna send you this piece and this little bracket piece. I'm gonna show you guys how to install it since we're at that step right now. So right here where the old spring was, the stock spring was, you're gonna slide this little cube through. And just set it flush. And that's the wrap. This piece is gonna go through here, like that, and the bolt's gonna go in this middle piece.
On the hater, put my bag to a pause, not a part of my nature. Yeah, see, I just mind my business. Keep your eyes on your own, never mind my living. I ain't never gave a name if I got caught slipping. Type of shit to get you gone in this life I'm living. They say what gangbang, ain't know about it though.
So here is Coilovers. Alright guys, so I did the passenger rear side already. So I found a shop that's willing to swap my tires for a pretty cheap ass price real quick. So they're staying open right now, so we're rushing over there to go handle that real quick. My first tires. Bam, and then I'm gonna go ahead and record the driver's side and all that. So I'm trying here. Fucking buzzing until this hurts. Let's get it.
Partner out tweaking like it's cool. Chilling with piece of shits like it's the fucking thing to do. And the damn thing changed, ain't no fucking thing new. Ain't no fucking thing better than someone who stays true. In this game, you finna win or finna lose, partner. And hell yeah, you finna gain and finna lose, partners. But you know it's official when they salute, partner. So how you retire at 22, partner? Talking to the boys in blue, yeah, cause they helping me and you, yeah. Now I ain't saying that ain't true, but since I've been around, I ain't.
Now you guys can hear me. So here's the shock. Stock shock. And then here is the spring. The stock shock. Sweet. Alright, so now let's install. So now that we got the stock. Perfect. Alright. Alright, now that we got the stock coilover off, here is the Raceland coilovers. Spring. Alright, so let's go ahead and try these. Slow piece. Alright.
They got you looking like a fool on me. Boy, you should've stayed your ass in school on me. Boy, or picked a different avenue if you knew there's a right way for you to pay your dues on me. Can't hang, then you liable to lose. If you ain't trying to swim, stay your ass about that pool. Don't buy more than your stupid ass can chew. For life, fuck around and sing your stupid ass the blues. You ain't never been what I've been through. Nah, you ain't never seen what I seen. I say you ain't never lived what I lived through. Nah, you don't understand what I mean.
You believe it's morning, I'm alive, but that's the last thing on my mind. You believe it's morning, I'm alive, but that's the last thing on my mind.
Y'all see him in the street struggling, young, dumb, and thuggin', give a fuck about nothing. Stuck at rock bottom, trying to come up on something. Pumping from sundown to sun up, he hustling. Vision, my nigga, now get in where you're fitting. And see prison as just a high cost of living, the life. Ante up, cause if you blow that dice on that OZ, Dorothy ain't going home tonight. That's on everything. Put it on the kids and the white. Been burying my folk ever since they raised the price on the coke. Searching for a quick antidote. More money, more problems to cope.
You believe it's morning, I'm alive, but that's the last thing on my mind. You believe it's morning, I'm alive, but that's the last thing on my mind.
On rainy days I sit back and count ways on how to get rich. Coolin' with a mean, ill Jamaican bitch. Banana coat matching with the ratchet. Low black weed sweat.
So we finally got the coilovers in.
Jumping the six kicks, look Chris talking about the that's giant. It's like the family that flipped on you from iron. Buried you alive, left your whole crying. We on your floor, look, more dogs. They ain't A either. I hope y'all niggas is on. And when we get there, all my niggas in the mix. Yeah, Shalal Legs, Diamond got me buying Louis Switch.
Yo, bro, people say the clan was missing since I got dropped off a radio. Overnight, your whole style was bitten in the process. Everybody switched their names like, what you call it, and he fast King James. It was the guards that rest that. Soft skin, dark skin bitches, Clarks and Dizzy. Left the game dizzy. Who got busy? That dancey shit slid through. We had to stay hood, cause that's what we been through. RZA came through, mastermind, got the cash from power. Poop the power past the divine. Classical rhymes, mathematical rhymes. Styles unbearable, now niggas with the radical signs.
Shout out Rim God, he bought the Glink in. Baby